Hey everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use Keepa for product research. So if you want to successfully sell products online via Amazon, FBA, or other arbitrage business models, then having the right tools is critical. And in my experience, one of the most invaluable services for product research and analysis is Keepa. Let's dive right into the video. So first things first, to leverage Keepa, you need to sign up for an account at keepa.com. Click register and then create your user profile with an email and a password. Next up, you want to visit the subscriptions page and purchase access to either a monthly premium plan at $19 per month or a better value annual pricing at $189 per year. And this unlocks full access to Keepa's enhanced product data and analytics capabilities. Once your premium account is activated, you can install the browser extension matching your internet browser, whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, etc. And this conveniently inserts interactive Keepa charts across Amazon so key metrics are visible directly on product pages while browsing. Additional tip is to ensure that you register for a premium Keepa plan before installing browser extensions. Free users see limited data even with extensions enabled. And that's it, you now have the power of Keepa analytics and charts right on Amazon product listings to better evaluate sales history and then make informed judgments. Next up, I'm going to be overviewing what key elements to focus on. With Keepa visualization enabled in Amazon, enhanced product analytics get inserted directly into listings. But what do all of these colors, lines, and numbers actually mean? Here's a quick reference guide to major chart components displayed. So pink or purple lines equal product pricing. This tracks real historical selling price over time when buy box existed. Green line equals sales rank, so lower numbers mean higher sales volume and popularity. The orange shading is Amazon competing, so periods when Amazon also sold this item. And then blue shading refers to the estimated sales per day, so algorithmic projection of daily unit sales. The columns on the right represent the additional metrics like percentage price changes, 90-day sales estimates, etc. Next up, we're going to be exploring how to interpret these components to choose winning products and avoid risky picks using real examples. Okay, so you generally understand what all the colors and metrics mean in Keepa's inserted charts, but how do we actually use them to pick good products or spot negative indicators? And for that, we can analyze a couple real examples to demonstrate applying strategies for reviewing listings before sourcing inventory to sell on Amazon. And for the first product example, we have this container right here. I've chosen it at random and the initial glance shows a steady pink line fluctuating within close price range, frequent green sales rank drops signaling recurring purchases, and a lack of orange which implies Amazon has not sold this item. This consistently steady pricing line combined with frequent sales rank declines indicate that this has been continually selling at decent volumes with minimal competition. This is exactly what you want to look for in a product. And even if there is a minor seasonal declines around holidays that can be visible when inspecting closer, the overall chart history and stability looks very strong. So you can make an informed decision that this is a very appealing prospect for selling based on high sales velocity and predictable pricing over time. I would conduct a price comparison and then source inventory if reasonable markup available. A terrible product in comparison would provide a chart that would have a lot of steep drops in sales rank suggesting impulse purchases, a concerning orange Amazon competition for 2 recent years, or a dramatic price spikes and declines from $20 to $60 or more. And the intense sales rank volatility makes predicting exact demand difficult. And even if the volume appears clearly strong when some ranked drops occur, the previous long-term presence of Amazon as a seller is worrying. So if they return, expect further price and rank instability, and if you hold stock when they rejoin, then sales velocity may immediately tank. Definitely pass on such products. Some additional Keepa features and functionality that is worth noting. We first have the profit dashboard, which is a centralized tracking of sourcing costs, sales estimates, and profit margins across products. Product notifications, as you can get email alerts when specific items meet defined price range, drop, or sales criteria. Revenue and profit tracking, so you can review rolling sales and profit calculations on all products. And Keepa continues expanding functionality over time based on user feedback. Definitely browse documentation to see all available analytics tools for streamlining online retail arbitrage on Amazon. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let us know if you have any other questions on Keepa that you would want us to cover in a separate video. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.